Hi guys, welcome to Star. Here we are making your dream reality. Ready? Let's go! Today we will work on the circle of power to give you power for the future. Remember the situation, the old situation, when you have negative emotions and what was the trigger of this emotion. For example, if you feel down, angry, upset, disappointed, remember all of this situation and all the negative stuff. Now we will think of situation 2, the positive feelings. Every time this trigger happens, we'll need to bring you positive resources, which is exact opposite of the negative one. For example, when you start feeling power, you are in charge, you are self-confident, you are happy, you are enjoying the life, things like that. Okay, now we will make a space in the room till wherever you are ready, you are alone. The space, the circle, let's say 1 meter of diameter. Take the first positive feeling, conditions, and put it inside the circle. For example, happiness, and give it a color, pink. Now you circle in the room, pink color. Think and went inside. Feel it. It's a happiness. Okay, once you're ready, take the second one, for example, a power, and bring another color and put it into the circle. Let's say it was orange. Go inside, feel it, the power, the strength. Once you are ready, get out. Look the color now. It's a mix. Do it with number 3, number 4, and if you need more, bring it. At the end, once they're all there, step and feel it. Put it in the volume. Make it cylindrical. Feel it all around as long as you want. This is all positive feelings that you can have. Step out, look at it. Look at yourself.